Today class social studies lesson 1, the earth. What is the name of the lesson? The earth. The earth is the only planet. It has air and water. Only living things on the earth. When compared to the other planets in the solar system, there only earth has living things. Why? Because 71% of earth is covered with water. 71% of earth is covered with water. Remaining 29% of earth is covered with land. There is air also present on the earth. It creates atmosphere. There is air and water on the earth. That's why there only living things are live on the earth when compared to the other planets. On the earth, there are large water bodies. Large water bodies are present. These large water bodies are called oceans. These large water bodies are called oceans. Remaining small water bodies also there. These are called rivers, lakes, gulfs, ponds, streams, etc. These are the small water bodies. The earth is a beautiful planet. Why do we call the earth is a beautiful planet? When we see from the sky, the earth look like blue in color. That's why the earth is called blue planet. Blue planet. Why? Because 3/4 part of the earth is covered with water and 1/4 part of the earth is covered with land only. So there is a different types of living things live on the earth.
Start.
There are 7 continents. There are 7 continents. The earth is covered with land, 1/4 part. The land part is called continents. There are 7 continents on the earth. What are they? They are, first one is Asia. Second one is Australia. Third one is Africa. Fourth one is Europe. Fifth one is North America. North America. Sixth one is South America. Seventh one is Antarctica. Antarctica. There are 7 continents on the earth. There are, first one is Asia, second one is Australia, third one is Africa, fourth one is Europe, fifth one is North America, sixth one is South America, seventh one is Antarctica. There are large water bodies on the earth. There are large water bodies. There are large water bodies on the earth. These large water bodies are called oceans. These large water bodies on the earth is called ocean. There are 5 major oceans. 5 oceans are there. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. 5 oceans. First one is Pacific. Pacific Ocean. What is the first one? Pacific Ocean. Second one is Antarctic. Antarctic Ocean. Third one is Arctic Ocean. Fourth one is Atlantic Ocean. Fifth one is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is at the southern side of India. How many oceans are there? There are 5 major oceans. These are the large water bodies on the planet Earth. What is the first one? Pacific Ocean. Second one is Antarctic Ocean. Third one is Arctic Ocean. Fourth one is Atlantic Ocean. Fifth one is Indian Ocean. When compared to these 5 oceans, Pacific is the largest ocean or biggest ocean. When compare the 7 continents, Asia is the largest continent. Australia, this is important. This one also, Australia is the smallest continent. When these continents, there are number of countries are present. In Asia, one of the largest country in the world. What is the largest country in the world? That is Russia. Russia is the largest country. When compared the area of the countries, Vatican City is the smallest country. When compared the area, this is about the continents and the oceans on the earth.
Go.
Next we discuss about the shape of the earth. What is that? Shape of the earth. Shape of the earth. Do you know the shape of the earth? In ancient people, in earlier years, the ancient people feel that earth was in flat shape. What is the shape of the earth? Ancient people, they cannot know the shape of the earth. They feel the earth was in flat shape. It has steep edges. They feel, this is the ancient people feeling. They feel the earth was like flat shape. It has steep edges. But this was proved wrong. How? The photos or the pics taken from the space. The pictures of the photos taken from the space proved that the earth was in spherical shape. What is the shape of the earth? It is spherical in shape. Like this. This is spherical. The ancient people feel the earth was flat and it has steep edges. But the photos taken from the space proved that the earth was not in flat shape. It was in spherical shape. So like this. When we see the globe. This is globe. So the earth axis like this. Slightly bent. So the earth was in spherical shape. That's why we see once a time one part of the earth only we can see one time. When we move this or rotate this, then only we see the other part of the earth. That's why we see only one part of the earth. What is the shape of the earth? This is spherical in shape. It is proved from the photos taken from the space.